How were they created? I create a blank slide again, and then I create this chart and add it in the blank slide to analyze its components. I select Doughnut from Insert and Chart and from the Pie Chart section. Then I click on OK. When your chart is added and the Excel file is opened, by default it has 4 sections. But to make this kind of the charts, you only need 2 parts. So you reduce this blue part size to have only 2 parts. And then you can enter the percentage of your data. Just pay attention that the percentage of these 2 should be 100. For example, if you want to show 40%, so if we deduct it from 100, it will be 60. So in this part, you should enter 60. Then if you click on OK, your data will be added on your chart. Now, in the second part, as it is clear from the guide, I select 40. So the orange color is filled with 40%. After closing the Excel file, select the blue part which shows 60%, then from Format section and Shape Fill, select No Fill and No Outline for it. So what happened? I have selected 2 parts by mistake, so I press Ctrl Z and pay attention that the part that you want to delete be selected. Again, from Shape Fill, I select No Fill and no outline for it. As you see, it is in this way that you can inactive all sections from chart element and use text box. These are the text box that I have added. These 30%, 40%, and 70% are text boxes. And now how is it nested? It is easy. When you make the chart, you can copy it, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and then you make a copy of it, and by holding the Shift key, you can reduce the size of your chart and put it in front of the previous one. As you see, when you make the chart smaller, the size of the colorful parts gets smaller too. If you want them to be equal, it would be enough to click on it and select the Format Data Series, and in this part I mean do not hold size. You can change the size of this part by using this menu and make the size of each part the same. Now I think it is suitable. And then these are text boxes that you can use the text box to give more information about your Doughnut chart. So far we have studied the charts of the PowerPoint completely, and we have studied 11 charts, their tips with each other, and then in continuation I did my best to teach you about some tricks for making the creative charts. Actually, I will give you the PowerPoint of this for more practice for you. In the continuation, I have prepared 2 sections. One has 12 slides and the other has 32 slides that in the first section, by the help of the chart and PowerPoint shapes, I have created some charts and gave them animation. I give it for you that it will help you to present in a creative way. Also, in the continuation, in the creative charts with images, I put some pictures for you that they can help you to present your charts in a different way, and it can give you good ideas that in the continuation you can see the output of this section.